When you think of explosive real estate growth, you probably picture cities like Austin or Nashville. But let me ask you, if you could go back 10 or 20 years ago and invest in those cities before they boomed, would you do it? Most people would jump at the chance. Back then, those cities were still affordable, but few realized it. Demand surged, values soared, and investors who acted early built life-changing wealth. Rents covered expenses, tenants paid down loans, equity grew, and cash flow became profit. Smart investors reinvested that profit, equity, and tax savings into more properties, creating true compounding wealth. Passive income funding future investments while assets rose in value. The more they acquired, the faster their wealth snowballed. But here's the thing. You don't need a time machine, because that same window of explosive growth is happening right now in a city consistently ranked by the Census Bureau as one of the fastest growing in the country. And with over $8.8 billion in development pouring into the city, early investors are being set up for future success. The city, Jacksonville, Florida, it was just named the #2 hottest job market in the US by the Wall Street Journal, with a thriving economy that creates deep and consistent demand for rental housing. For investors, Jacksonville's strength isn't just about recent headlines. It's built on a solid foundation that has been delivering for years. Unlike boom and bust markets, Jacksonville's growth is anchored in affordability and a thriving job market for workforce housing. This creates incredible stability. For our clients, it's led to consistently high tenant renewal rates, which means less vacancy, less turnover, and more predictable cash flow. That stable foundation is now being supercharged by this once-in-a-generation transformation, creating a massive upside for early investors. You get the stability of an established rental market combined with the explosive growth of an emerging city. The writing is on the wall. Businesses are moving here, they're bringing their jobs with them, and savvy investors are taking notice. So if the opportunity is this clear, what stops most people? Many don't feel comfortable investing in a city they're not familiar with, or they get stuck in analysis paralysis, or they try to do it all themselves and give up. At JWB, we handle everything. We're the nation's leading vertically integrated real estate investing company with over 130 professionals. Our fully managed system removes the headaches, delivers strong returns, and helps investors scale faster, generating over $300 million in wealth and $5 million in monthly cash flow to our clients. Plus, we're based in Jacksonville, so you don't have to be. In fact, we have clients in 49 states and 13 countries. You no longer have to imagine the wealth you could have built if you had started investing in real estate 10 years ago, because the same opportunity is presenting itself right now. If you've been waiting for the right time, this is it. A decade from now, you'll either be glad you did or wish you had.